Hi, future employer. My name is Merami Rabino de Guerto. I am 34 years old from Valenzuela City, Philippines. I am married and blessed with two sons, ages 4 and 10 years old. I am also a 2-year college graduate in computer programming. I have 2 years and 6 months of experience as domestic helper in Kuwait from January 2023 until July 2025, serving a family of 5, 2 adults and 3 children ages 6, 8, and 13 years old. My duties are attending to children's daily needs, preparing their lunch box as well as their breakfast before they go to school, and also bringing and picking them up from the school bus. Aside from that, I also do household chores such as cleaning, laundry, ironing, and since Madam is the one who cooks, I prepare everything she will need and assist her in the kitchen. I hope you will give me a chance to work with your family. Uh, I am hardworking. I can work independently and always willing to learn. Thank you for uh, watching my video. Hoping to see you soon. Thank you and have a nice day.